Hey everyone, Tom is coming to you from MGM Classic Cars, and today I have this beautiful Eldorado with 76,000 miles, original 500 cubic inch motor, in really nice condition. So I'm going to shut up for a little bit. I'm going to walk around the car. The trunk here, we're having an issue of it closing all the way with the automatic, I believe, actuator that's in there. So we're going to fix that before shipping the vehicle. It did work a little while ago. But look how clean this thing is. Paint is in super, super nice condition. Very straight. Sounds good too. If you guys need financing, you can check out the credit application at mgmclassiccars.com. On the upper right hand corner, you can click the finance tab. You will need 10% down only, minimum, for the purchase price of this vehicle. Your taxes and your delivery fees can be added to your loan amount. We can also keep your payment at a minimum as well. We have long-term financing. You must have good credit. Rates start at about 7-8%. For those of you who need delivery, call or text. I prefer text. You'll get a quicker response. All I need to know is the year, make, model of the car. You saw my video and your zip code, and I will definitely shoot you a quote back on this Cadillac or any car that you see here in my collection of cars. I have over 185 of them here at mgmclassiccars.com. So again, please call or text anytime. My number is 847. Again, my number is 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching MGM. Have a great day, guys. I'm going back to work. Yeah, baby.